Mbukeleke sixolise ngobuhixihixi obutheke baba khona. Ikomishana kethuthukisa noma ngathi ke thuthukisa iphinde ke ivikela amalungelo emphakathi yezamasiko ezenkolo kanye nezilimi. Ikhulumeke nabezindaba namuhla ekseni mayelana ke nezinhlelo eziqhubekayo ezimayelana ke nobuqotho emkhakheni wezenkolo. Le komishana ithi ke indima yayo ukuvikela izisulu nalabo abasinda behlukunyezwa, kepha ke iphinde
Ikomishoni yamalungelo wenkcubeko, inkolo nolwimi loluntu eMzantsi Afrika ibambe indibano namajelo endaba ukucankcatha kwimiba ngokumalunga necandelo lenkolo eMzantsi Afrika. Ichaza ngemiba exhalabisayo nethi idinga ukuba inikwe ingqwalasela ngokukhawuleza.
The Constitution is very clear in terms of our mandate. We are supposed to protect and promote the rights of cultural, religious and linguistic communities. And the CRL Act gives us powers to do all that is necessary or expedient to achieve our objects. It's in the Constitution to say protect. So we cannot be dilly-dallying around the issue of protection of especially victims and survivors within the cultural and religious spheres.
Usihlalo wale komishoni uThoko Mkhwanazi Xaluva ubuye waphefumla nakumba wentshukumo iChurch Defenders South Africa esithi imanabo bangabaxhaphazi.
We launched our GBVF in Sacred Spaces Section 22 subcommittee here a month or so ago, where 3 survivors to give their testimonies as part of that process who were violated sexually in churches. The very next day, the church defenders were attacking these survivors on their Facebook page, threatening to release a sex tape of one of them and posting a video of one of them at 13 years old.
Le komishoni ithi isanqo sezigxeko ngakuyo asiyigungqisi kwaphela kuba iza kuqhubeka nokulwela amalungelo woluntu. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.